Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to turn on flashlight for phone calls and text messages in a very easy and quick method, so follow up with me. First we open settings and then we scroll down to accessibility, we tap on it, then we scroll again until we find audio visual, we select that, and then all the way down to the bottom we tap on LED flash for alerts. Now this is where you turn on the option of the flashlight for the phone calls and the text messages. You go ahead and just tap on the toggle next to LED flash for alerts. Now if you go ahead and turn just that on, you will get the flashlight only when the screen is off. And you will also get the flashlight even when the phone is not in silent mode. That means when the phone is ringing, you'll still get the flashlight. Now if that's what you want, leave it just like that. But if you want otherwise, let's say you want to get the flashlight when the screen is on, you touch the toggle next to flash while unlocked. And if you want to get the flashlight only when the phone is in silent mode, you go ahead and tap on the toggle next to flash on silent mode. And just like that, the phone will flash when you get a phone call or when you receive a text message. If this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for future solutions to all of your future tech problems. Thanks for watching.